Usually Shabbos, I would go with him. He loved taking me to shul. This was in Little Rock, and it was small, and it still separated the men from the women. And I loved going with him because he wouldn't let me sit on the women's side. He made me sit right next to, he didn't make me, I wanted to be right next to him. And when the shamus, the guy who makes sure everybody is where they should be in the shul, would come up to Grandpa when I'm sitting right next to him in the men's section. He'd say, no, 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 she can't sit there. And my grandpa wouldn't let him touch me or move me. And he said, no, she sits here with me. And we went through that every Shabbos when we attended services on, Saturday morning. He would not let them separate us.